Continuation is the previous slide, that is automated production line defined. So here automated production line, here it is explained in detail how automated production line is maintained, what all the configurations we have got, so that the processing operation is carried out. System configuration is there, that is inline straight line arrangement of workstation. It may be segmented, or it may, in the segmented means two or more straight line segments usually perpendicular to each other. The systems are configured. If it is rotary indexing machine, it will be dial indexing machine. So for that, delay is given at equal interval, or temporary stop is given, so that the production is going to happen. So work part transfer mechanism, there are so many types. Linear transfer systems. Under linear transfer system, continuous motion, synchronous motion, asynchronous motion, rotary index mechanism, and other Geneva mechanism and others. So if it is continuous motion, means not common for automated system, means it will be the work part transfer, it will be continuous for the automated system. So there won't be any stop. So the motion is continuous. Even the work transfer, what it happens, it is first. If it is asynchronous, means it is the motion itself is intermittent. All the parts will move simultaneously, which all it has to be executed with the process operation that it will be used. Asynchronous motion means intermittent motion. Once again, parts move independently in the asynchronous motion. If it is rotary index mechanism, we are going to use Geneva mechanism. Means in the rotary, it will be passed in a circular fashion, so that the parts are utilized. Like this, other type of work transfer mechanisms are available. So next is storage buffer in the production line. Storage buffer, it tells about it's a temporarily stored before proceeding to subsequent downstream stations. So reason for using the storage buffers are to reduce effect of station breakdown, to provide a bank of parts to the supply line, to provide a place to put the output of the line, allow query time and other required delay, smooth cycle timing variations, store parts between stages with different production rates. So like this, storage buffers in production line, it is going to happen. Control functions in an automated production line. First is sequence control, second one is safety monitoring, third is quality control. So in the sequence control, what we do is the sequence of action of the transfer system and workstation, it is done, so that the operations and the process is carried out at a required rate. So further, if you take safety monitoring, at the workplace, the worker and the equipment must be safe. There mustn't be any hazardous operation for workers as well as the equipment. To take quality control, you have to reject defective work units produced on the line, so that quality products are produced. So like this, control function happens at the automated production line. So what are the applications of automated production? Is transfer lines for machining, synchronous or asynchronous work part transport with or without pallet fixtures depending on part geometry. Various monitoring and control features are available. Rotary transfer machines for machining is available. Variations include center column machine and turnion machine. So like this, different applications of automated production lines, it is being present. So here the part how you transfer at the workplace, it has to be planned by the concerned persons in the industry, so that the required type of transfer it is achieved. So here, by using the automated production line, one thing has to be kept in the mind, that here there are so many types of production lines available. So what type of production line you want to install at the workplace, that you have to decide at the workplace and install a suitable production line, so that your production targets are achieved. If there is some breakdown in the existing one, in the machine 1, machine 2 must be ready to operate, because it's a 24-hour operation which has to be met continuously without any failures. According to that, you are supposed to manage the whole thing. So like this, automated production line is important in the industry to meet the customer expectations at the right time.